The Legal Assistance Committee presents the Pro Bono Attorney of the Year Award. This award is given to an individual who has demonstrated dedication to the development and delivery of legal services to the poor, or contributed significantly toward developing innovative ways to deliver voluntary legal services. Attorney Alexander Lodge is the Pro Bono Attorney of the Year. Attorney Lodge is a patent attorney at Foley Lardner LLP. He has been a leader in expanding access to legal assistance in the area of expungement in Wisconsin. He has worked tirelessly to organize expungement events, recruit and train volunteer attorneys, and build relationships with key stakeholders in facilitating these events. Please join me in honoring Attorney Alexander Lodge.
I am both humbled and honored to be the State Bar of Wisconsin's Pro Bono Attorney of the Year. Thank you to my colleagues across the State Bar of Wisconsin for taking the time to nominate me, and the State Bar of Wisconsin Legal Assistance Committee for considering and selecting me for this honor. While this award highlights my efforts, the success of our criminal conviction expungement and arrest record correction clinics is a direct result of community partners and volunteer attorneys committed to seeking justice for all citizens of Wisconsin. I would like to especially thank the Urban League of Greater Madison, the Urban League of Racine, Kenosha, Wisconsin Association of African American Lawyers, the State Bar of Wisconsin's Pro Bono program, my colleagues at Foley and Lardner, and Legal Action of Wisconsin for your commitment to providing this much needed service to our community. Your collective efforts ensured that we not only provided access to clients seeking this service, but it also helped us to broaden the scope and impact of the services we provide at each clinic. In Attorney Brian Stevenson's book, Just Mercy, he states, "Each of us is more than the worst thing we've ever done," and goes on to conclude that the opposite of poverty is not wealth, the opposite of poverty is justice. Unfortunately, our society treats a criminal record as a scarlet letter, serving as a significant barrier to employment, fair housing, and more. Such barriers have a reverberating effect on not just the individual throughout their lifetime, but also their families and communities. Ultimately, these barriers contribute significantly to repeating a cycle of poverty spanning multiple generations. Through our clinics, we often observe these barriers disproportionately impact Black and communities of color. In view of our collective experience throughout the global pandemic and national fight for racial justice and equality, we can see the compounding effect poverty has on the communities we serve through our expungement and arrest record clinics. Although our clinics play a small role in helping our clients traverse barriers to employment and housing, we hope that our efforts inspire more of our colleagues across the State Bar to fulfill our oath as attorneys to never reject the cause of the defenseless or oppressed. I look forward to continuing this and other pro bono efforts moving forward, and thank you again for recognizing this important work.